All right, we're on lesson 8, question number 1, and I assume you're here because you're stuck. But today in class we talked about parallel lines. And so if I look at the lines that are parallel, I know that AB is parallel to CD, and I can mark them parallel by putting little arrows on them. And usually when we see parallel lines, we look for alternate interior angles, and alternate interior angles form the Z. So if I'm looking for alternate interior angles, they look like this, and my two alternate interior angles would be these two. So in your statements and reasons proof, you're going to say that these two angles are congruent, your reason being alternate interior angles are congruent, and you have to have that lines are parallel to be able to use that as a reason, and we do, so we're good to go. Then I also know from my givens that AB is congruent to CD, so you can also mark them as congruent, and then I can use the reflexive property for my third part and say that BD is congruent to BD. Now, I'm hoping that we're getting to a point where we're a little bit more independent with this, and so I'm not writing this all out for you, but you should be able to figure this out now that I've given you some hints to get started. So in the end, we would be able to prove what we're trying to prove by seeing this side, this angle, and this side congruent to this side, this angle, and this side. So you should be doing side angle side at the end here. Okay? Good luck.